Hi guys, welcome to my grocery haul video for this week. I just did a grocery pickup at Walmart, so I'm going to share with you everything that I got for the week. I also have our meal plan all written out that I will share with you also on what we're having for dinners each day this week and what I'm making for meal prep for this week. So I'm going to share it all with you. If you are new to my channel and if you enjoy getting some meal prep motivation and some meal planning motivation, make sure you click subscribe. Also, leave me a comment if you have any questions at all. All right, I'm going to share with you everything I got in my Walmart grocery haul, and I'm going to share with you the meal plan as well. So here are all of the groceries for the week, and so I will just start over on this end on everything that we're having. So I have lots of meat this week. So under here, this is chicken thighs. This is chicken breasts. I have a whole chicken. So I just saw on my friend Sammy's channel, Managing the Maze, her channel. So she did a full chicken in the crock pot last week, and I am now inspired to do that. So I got this whole chicken. We have some carne asada here that will cook on the Blackstone griddle that will be perfect for tacos. And it's actually really good with like breakfast as well. So like some eggs with carne asada, delicious. Got some frozen strawberries, croutons for salad. I got this carne asada seasoning. We like to get carne asada quite a bit, and we get it not seasoned. So this looks super good, and I love the Lowry's brand of seasonings. So carne asada seasoning, Cheerios. My kids love Cheerios. If you've been around, you know I get them like every other week. Our gallon of milk, 2 things of almond milk because we were super low, so 2 almond milks. If you've been around, you know I've been getting tons of this water enhancer. So this flavor, this is the mixed berry, and I got this one a couple weeks ago, and it is my favorite so far. So another one of these, and this lasts a long time. So there's 30 servings in here, but it's full of electrolytes, vitamins, vitamin B's, lots of them. So I love this stuff, and it makes drinking water so much easier. So I can drink way more water if it tastes delicious with this mixed berry enhancer. So I got some Ovaltine because my kids love chocolate milk. They eat a good dinner. They get a little glass of chocolate milk. So I got my 0-carb tortillas. Love these. And I use them for little breakfast tacos, or also I use them with like turkey and cheese and like a little bit of lettuce as like a little wrap. So good, and 0 carbs, and I absolutely love these. Some regular tortillas for my kids because they eat quesadillas like they're going out of style. Pancake on a stick. I have not gotten these in probably a month or so, and my kids absolutely love them. So they are super happy. They saw me unpacking the groceries and saw these. So they are stoked that we'll have these for this week for breakfast. So I got my lettuce for my salads. I'm going to do a mason jar salad for my lunch meal prep for this week. If you've been around my channel, you know I love mason jar salads. I have a whole playlist of mason jar salads. So if you like salads, I have tons of salad videos for you. I have some green grapes, and these grapes are huge. Oh my gosh, they're really big this week, but I think they'll be delicious. Back here, got some taco seasoning because we were out. 2 packs of 18-pack eggs. We go through a ton of eggs, and I'm going to hard boil some this week for snacks, and I'm going to put them in my salad as well. I got a can of Rotel. I love Rotel with any kind of like Tex-Mex recipes. Back here is a big bag of pistachios. Such a yummy snack, our favorite. French vanilla granola, and I get a lot of the Great Value brand, as you can tell, tons of Great Value brand everywhere, and I think it tastes just as good as regular like name brand products, and it's a fraction of the cost. So I always usually shop Great Value products first. Big thing of mixed nuts. We love snacking on nuts and things. Big bag of shredded cheese for all those quesadillas that my kids eat. some sliced sharp cheddar. I love sharp cheddar, is my favorite. Sometimes I get medium cheddar, but sharp is my favorite. A thing of blueberries, some frozen edamame that's just so easy to we just steam it in the microwave, and super good. Love edamame for snacks or for like a veggie side for dinner. So these are the avocados for the week. Avocados have been so delicious lately, like really, really good. So I got 5 this week. I usually only get 4, but they've been so good. A bunch of mac and cheese, Great Value brand. It's 62 cents a box, so stocked up on this. I mean, it's so cheap. And my kids, they like it if we're in a pinch and need a super fast dinner. I got some cottage cheese. I am going to be making some homemade ranch dressing, and I make it with cottage cheese. So check out that video. They'll be coming up this weekend with my mason jar salads and my homemade salad dressing for that. And then I have my vanilla Greek yogurt, some little grape tomatoes for my salad for the week. This is some parsley, a bunch of parsley for my salad dressing. Broccoli, it is our favorite vegetable, so we eat broccoli every single week. We have been eating a ton of popcorn, my kids have, so lots of popcorn. Some lemons for my salad dressing. I got a lot of apples this week, so my kids at school are celebrating Johnny Appleseed Day. It's one day this week, and so the teacher asked us to volunteer to bring some apples. So I have a bunch of red apples, and then I have some green apples right here also. So those are for school, and some of the red ones we'll keep home. I have a cucumber, lemon, I think I already said, bananas for the week, and sandwich thins for the week. These are my husband's favorite. My kids like these with hamburgers also, so we go through a lot of sandwich thins. So this is the groceries, everything that we got. Here is the meal plan that I wrote out. So for dinners, I can kind of move around what we have each day, but this is just kind of the idea of what we're going to try and stick with. So Sunday, we're going to do the carne asada on the Blackstone griddle. Monday, I'm going to do chicken teriyaki thighs with broccoli and rice. Tuesday, I'm going to make a chicken lasagna. Wednesday, we'll do spaghetti and meatballs. I have frozen meatballs in the freezer, so those super easy dinner. Thursday, we're going to do salad with grilled chicken. Friday, do chicken apple sausage, which I absolutely love chicken apple sausage. And we'll do a side of edamame with that. And then Saturday, I'm going to do the whole chicken in the crock pot. So that will be delicious. My lunch meal prep for this week, I'm going to do mason jar salads, and I'm going to make my own ranch dressing, which homemade ranch is so, so good. And it'll be a delicious salad for the week. So make sure you check out that meal prep for this weekend as well. So here's the groceries and the meal plan. Hope that you guys enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment if you have any questions at all. I hope that you're having a really great week, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.